The 2015 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options. Power passenger seat, traction control, heated seats, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, heated front seats, compass, trip computer, panic alarm. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.